Hey, welcome back. We're working in lesson 22, and I want to start off with this problem. It says, what is the difference between the tallest and shortest trees? Now, I know difference tells me to subtract, and I know that tallest and shortest tree heights tell me to look on the line plot for where the x is at the largest number and the x is at the smallest number. Not necessarily the largest number or the smallest number on the line plot, but where the x is at the farthest and the lowest. That is 9 6/8 and 8 1/8, so now I'm ready to set up my problem and subtract. Here's an example I'd like to show you that uses addition. It says Sue records the distances she runs in 1 week. How far does she run all together? I knew by reading the word all together it was add, and I love problems like this where the line plot is already drawn for you and you're just answering questions based on it. But there is something that makes this a little more difficult. These are mixed numbers, and to find out all together means that we're going to have to add every x that's represented on here. Now, I'll show you where I started out over here. I added up 1, 1/8. Since there were 2 x's here, I added 1 3/8 twice, and then 1 5/8, 1 7/8. Now, notice that's a lot of adding to do, and I love writing my problems up and down, but that would be a lot to do. So look at the suggestion they make. Add the whole numbers first. Okay, that's not bad. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Add those all up. I'm sorry, I guess I didn't count right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that adds up to 6. And then add all your fractions together, okay? That's 1/8, 3/8, 3/8, 5/8, 7/8. Okay, when we add those up, they get 19/8. Then they change their improper fraction, 19/8, to 2 3/8. Remember from last lesson, we do this by dividing 8 into 19. Okay, one last problem. I'd like to work this with you. I feel like this is a challenging question. The good news is the line plot is already demonstrated for us, but we've got to use that line plot to decide if these are true or false statements. So let's look at the first one. The difference in weight between the 2 heaviest puppies is 1/8 of a pound. Okay, we've got to go test this. Okay, the 2 heaviest weights would be the 2 x's at nearest the end of the line plot. That's 2 2/8 and 2. So I've set that up over here to find the difference. 2 2/8 minus 2 would just be 2/8. So this is a false statement. 1/8 is not correct. Okay, our next statement says the combined weight of the 2 lightest puppies is 2 2/8 pounds. Let's go look. Here's our lightest puppies. They're the 2 at the lowest parts of the number line. 1 1/8 plus 1 2/8. We combine them. We get 2 3/8, which makes this not true again. Okay, and the final statement says the difference in weight between the heaviest puppy and the lightest puppy is 1 1/8 pounds. So I've drawn blue arrows over from my highest weight and my lowest weight. 2 2/8 minus 1 1/8 is 1 1/8, so that would be a true statement.